Okay, I'm gonna be really vulnerable here with you. I remember back in the day on Twitter, when it was still called Twitter before it is what it is now, um, I said, the way I talk to my animals is none of your business. And that's because of the ridiculous voice. And I've come to realize that most people do the ridiculous voice, but for Galaxy, it's different. We have to go to Looney Tunes levels when talking to Galaxy. She responds to this, but if you really want to get her attention, you've got to go. I'm talking tea kettle levels. You got to go, because that's what she is.